Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your GMC Yukon key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring. Carefully insert the screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can begin to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once it starts to separate, you're ready for the next step. Now that the key fob is partially open, gently pull the two halves apart completely. You'll see the internal circuit board and the battery. Before you remove the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation. Notice which side is facing up, usually the positive side. This will help ensure you install the new battery correctly. Most GMC Yukon key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type. You can usually pop it out with your screwdriver. With the old battery removed, it's time to insert the new one. Make sure you're using a fresh CR2032 battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for the fob to work. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely sealed. Finally, test your key fob to confirm it's working. After reassembling your key fob, take a moment to test all its functions. Lock, unlock, and remote start, if applicable, should all work perfectly. If everything is functioning as expected, you've successfully replaced your GMC Yukon key fob battery. You've saved yourself a trip to the dealership and can enjoy the convenience of a fully operational key fob. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.